Hello, it's me, Mr. Duclos from 2C at Citizenship Academy. Today is April 23rd, and we are going to go over two-digit subtraction using our place value charts. So, you are going to need a pencil and a loose sheet of paper. Please go get those now and then come back. So today we're going to work on double-digit subtraction using our place value chart. Now, if you have a place value chart, that's great, but if you don't, you can draw one on your sheet of paper like I just did. With Miss Daniels, you should have been doing three-digit subtraction using your place value chart. So this is going to be a review of that lesson, and it's going to be a little bit easier in case you needed some extra help. We're going to do two problems together, and then you're going to do a quiz all on your own. Let's jump right in. So the first problem that we are going to do is 22 minus 13. So the first thing I'm going to do is draw in the bigger number. So there's two tens and one of the things I'm going to do right away is that I know that there might be some regrouping in this problem. I don't know definitely, but just to make sure, I'm going to cross out my 10. And I know that 10 ones is equal to a 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See, it's still my tens. I'm just crossing one out and putting it in the ones column to make regrouping easier if I have to. Then I write my ones, which is 2. 1, 2. I'm then going to subtract or take away 13. So we have 1 10 and 3 ones. And then I can cross out. I take away a 1, I take away a 1. I take away a 1, I take away a 1. I take away a 1, I take away a 1. No more ones to take away, so I move to the tens column. I take away a 10, take away a 10. Then all I have to do is count. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 ones and 0 tens. So I know that my answer is 9, which means that 22 minus 13 is 9. Now let's try one a little bit harder. We are going to do 56 minus 27. So I'm erasing my tens and ones chart. If you need to draw a new one, that's okay. Why don't you go and do that right now while I'm cleaning off the board? Okay. So now we have our fresh tens and ones charts ready to be used to help us with math. And the first thing that we have is our tens column in the bigger number. We have 5 tens. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. But just like before, I don't know yet if I'm going to regroup, but I want to make it as easy as possible. So right from the start, I'm just going to cross out one of my tens and add 10 ones. Because remember, those are the same thing. 1 10 is equal to 10 ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I want you to notice how slow I'm going. Even a teacher, when doing math, needs to go slow so we don't make any mistakes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we're going to draw our ones. We have 6 ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we're going to draw what we're subtracting. We have 2 tens. 1, 2. And we have 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now again we can cross out. I take away a 1, I take away a 1. I take away a 1, I take away a 1. A 1, 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 a 1. Now I have no more ones to take away. So I move to the tens column. And again, I take away a 10, I take away a 10. I take away a 10, take away a 10. Then I see what I have left over. In the tens column, I have 1, 2. And in the ones column, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 2 tens and 9 ones is equal to 29, which means that 56 minus 27 is equal to 29. All right, that's going to end our math lesson today. Please go take the quiz. And when you're done taking the quiz, make sure you do your 30 minutes of iReady. iReady is one of the best tools that we have to prepare you for 3rd grade while learning at home. All right, I'll see you later. Have a great day. Goodbye.